Welcome to Frank's Backyard Barbecue. Today we're going to be cooking and baking some barbecue strawberry chicken with a hint of honey. We're going to be using some canola oil, some strawberries, red onions, butter, barbecue sauce, balsamic vinegar, honey, and some brown sugar. And we're going to be cooking it on a skillet, 12-inch skillet, cast iron. We're going to use these two big pieces right here of chicken, but we're going to cut these into half, make two pieces. They're really, really big. So if you get smaller breasts, you're going to use 4 of them for this recipe. So right now, let's go ahead and preheat the oven for 350 degrees. And let's heat up the cast iron at the same time. And let's get ready to cook. Now that your skillet's pretty hot, you put your hand on here. And you make sure that everything's all hot. You can feel the heat. And it touch right here on the side. If it's hot, then it'll be okay. Just put on some 2 teaspoons of oil. And go ahead and put your chicken in. You can go ahead and just keep on letting it cook all the way through. So it'll get to like about almost 160 degrees or so. Or not all the way through, just a little bit halfway through. You brown both sides enough that it's pretty much cooked, and then you're going to finish it off in the oven. And you put it in there. But for right now, you're just going to go ahead and brown it. And occasionally you want to go ahead and check that it is cooking. Just go ahead and turn it to the other side. Add some salt, just some kosher salt. And some black pepper. I move the chicken around just to make sure it gets all heated. Now that you see your chickens are all browned up, not cooked all the way, just browned on the top, really cooked up. Go ahead and take them out on a separate plate. With the rest of it, you're going to be cooking them in the oven or baking them. You put them off to the side. Then go ahead and add your butter, 2 teaspoons of butter. Grab your onion. Stir them around. Make sure you want to bring them down. We're going to cook them down. Ooh, man, that smells good on me. Then you go ahead and add 2 tablespoons or 2 of barbecue sauce. Stir that around. Barbecue sauce smells really good. Now let's put in the sugar, brown sugar. That's the camera light. Balsamic vinegar. Boil up a little bit. And then add your honey. Stir it all up. It's all stirred up good, then get the chicken back. Let it sink in there. Then get all the juices. Stir it around. Now that you started getting the chickens in there, now you want to go ahead and put it into the oven. Make sure it's 350 degrees. You always get one of these for the cast iron because you know they're pretty hot. Go ahead and put it in there. And let it bake about between 15 and 30 minutes, and it'll be practically almost done. So we just put in a cook time, 30 minutes, and it'll cook for 30 minutes. So you always be checking it, turning it, make sure it's getting all crispy and done. So we'll see you back in a few minutes. At the 15 mark, we're going to go ahead and open it up and turn the chicken around. As you can already see, oh, it's coming out really good. You can smell it. Put it back in there for another 15 more minutes and it should be done. Now in the last few minutes you bring it out, you go ahead and put the strawberries on top. Then you go ahead and put it in for like about another 2 more minutes, and then we're done. Now it's done. All you gotta do is bring it out. Look at that. Just let it rest for a minute, and we'll go ahead and serve it. Alright, as you can see, the chicken's really done and cooled down a little bit. All the strawberries are on there. So let's go ahead and plate it up. Let's get some white rice here. And let's get some chicken. The best thing about this is the juice. I think the best thing to do get some green onions. And there you go. Let's see. Wow. That's real good. So if you like this recipe, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.